Hanging out. Hi, Bailey. Brutus, you're a lunatic. Ellie, Ellie, Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Oh, you? Are you feeling frisky? You're afraid I'm going to pick you up and let dogs sniff you, huh? You're okay, baby. You're alright. Guys, give her a little bit of elbow room, would ya? Hi, Mickey. Yep. Just like the big dogs, huh? Just wait till Teddy and Charlie come, then you'll have two other little ones to play with. They're a lot of fun. Lots to sniff. Maggie, what are you doing? Maggie! Maggie. Maggie, seriously? Maggie. Go on, get out of here, come on. Now you done it. You don't know how to get out, do you? Maggie, I'm gonna get you. How did you get in? Remember how you got in? Don't make me pick you up, seriously. There you go. Go on. McGee. Come here. Come on. She's a rat in a trap. Atta girl. There you go. Oh my goodness gracious.